Welcome back, students, to the class on Principles of Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti, and I'm Assistant Professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. In my previous lectures, I have discussed about the characteristics of management. So by now, all of you may have some idea about why management is unique. And from the above discussion, it can be concluded that management is all pervasive and where every organization must engage in effective managerial techniques. In this current competitive world, it is imperative that proper management is necessary for survival. It is all about how well we can man effectively. So from the characteristics, we see that management is a continuous process. As was discussed in the very first class about the introduction, that management is all about how well we can manage the 4 M's, like man, machine, material, and money. So if all these 4 M's are effectively managed, then it can be said that there is a proper execution of managerial practices in any organization. So management, actually, we have seen from the characteristic that it is again a continuous process, and it involves a coordination and collective effort from all the departments in the organization to fulfill the common organizational goal. So therefore, it is important for every organization to ensure the effective and efficient utilization of the manpower and the resources that it has at its disposal. And in this manner, by successful implementation of the available resources, the organization can sustain in this competitive world in the long run. So therefore, characteristics of management gives us a clear picture about the different ways through which we can look into management as a very unique subject of discussion. Thank you very much.